Okay, so spark, fuel, compression, timing. I always start with the spark plug. That way I can kill three birds with one stone. So let's put it in here. So you lay it against the ground, basically. Ground. I should see spark when I crank it. Okay, I can see it. I do see a light spark. Boot. Pop out the plug. Gonna hold it. This may be a funny video. Okay, I saw plenty of spark. Okay, so I've got an old spray bottle here. I'm gonna try to spray some gas into the cylinder. Put a little gas in there. Put the plug back in. Okay, if it's a fuel problem, it should at least start for a second. Because the engine started when we added fuel to the cylinders, we can conclude that there is a fuel delivery issue. Now, whether that's a clogged filter, a bad fuel pump, we'll have to figure out more. But you can see by following down these steps, we checked spark, we had spark, we checked fuel, we found the problem. The next two steps are a little more complicated, whether you have compression and if you have the correct timing. That's really the four elements that make an internal combustion engine run. So I hope this video was helpful for you in troubleshooting your small engine issues. If so, please like and subscribe.